Follow the steps on how to fix Photoshop text stuck in all caps. Here I will try to show an example. Even though I have pressed caps lock, there is no change in the text. To fix it, go to Window and open Character Options. Pay attention to this line. You can see all caps is active, so you need to disable it. Now let's try again. Now we can type text normally. Good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.